So, as you all know that I am a great artist and I create great things. So, I will demonstrate you how to do the hair, eyes, skin, cloth and the other parts. I hope you will enjoy it. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Do it now. So, as you can see that I have already done the drawing in different layers and as I have chosen different layers so that I can show you separately. So here comes the hair first. Choose a base color. Then choose a airbrush 60 to do the highlights. Do it with a lighter color as you can see it here. Then choose a blurring marker. Then I will choose a lighter color, probably the skin color which suits with the brown color as a base. And it shows the highlighted parts. Give a stroke as the hair is moving that way. Giving these strokes took around 2150 years. Yeah, this is the most time consuming part. It took around 26 minutes to do this. Yeah, 26 minutes. Finally, it is done. Now we'll do the ribbon. I chose the red color because it looks bright and I love red color. Also give shades to the ribbon and I did that with the magic. Do the magic, then it will look more good without spilling the colors outside the ribbon. Do magic and outline the face area. As you can see it here. Then choose a base color to color the face. Then do the eyeliner part. Then it will be easier to contour the face more. Then highlight the areas. Then do the shading. Do darker shades on the edges of the face. Also beneath the hairline. And then the highlights, other darker shades, not darker but lighter than the previous one. More highlights. Now the blush. Choose airbrush 60 to do this. Now the most darkest color to do the things beneath the hair, that is the ears and some part of the face and the edges of the face. Don't make any anime more dull and dark, it will look dull then. Anime should be bright. 2,500 years later. So finally it is done. Again, like the face, do the base color here. Then do the darker shades beneath the clothes and the chin area. I selected the area with the magic to do the darker area. Then I will do the lighter area with the other magic. So first the darker area, do the darker shades beneath the eyeliner, probably the black color, and then choose a less darker and then the lightest of that shade. And that shade should be a dark color, like blue or any color with a dark shade of that color. Now I am doing the lighter part of the eyes. Put more highlights to make the eyes bright. Highlight, highlight, highlight. And it's done. So here again do the base color, and I did the magic here again so that it doesn't move out of the line. I'm in the border, and then do some highlights on the clothes, and it's done. Thanks so much for watching.